I'm good at means you're good at doing something. Examples: I'm good at languages. I'm good at math and English. I'm good at musical instruments. I'm good at martial arts. I'm good at cars. I'm good at kids, so she wants me to be a teacher. I'm good at what I do. I'm good at numbers. I'm good at Spanish. I'm good at my own field as a professor. I'm good at solving word puzzles. I'm good at singing. I'm good at fixing my own problems. I'm good at writing stories. I'm good at traveling around the world on a tight budget. I'm good at taking care of her kids. I'm good at nothing but eating. I'm good at keeping their house clean. I'm good at managing the company. I'm good at making money.